Greetings from San Diego, California. This interactive, multinational video conference is reaching you live in English, Spanish, and Portuguese through a unique and complex international telecommunications network via satellite, microwave, cable, and the internet. This program brings together distinguished organizations representing education, business, government, and civil society in the Americas, China, India, and Europe. We appreciate your participation. This is the third International Training Center video conference of the year 2016 series entitled Entrepreneurship and Reinvention in a New World. We invite our viewing audience and affiliates that may not have the support materials or the participants manual for this program to contact us directly at itcsandiego.com to assist you with a copy. Thank you for your participation and for being part of our international network. I'm Dr. Miguel Cardenas, Jr., Chief Academic Officer at San Diego Global Knowledge University and the moderator of today's program, which presents the important topic, Communication in an Increasingly Multi-Generational Workplace, the Impact of Millennials. Demographic trends and globalization have combined to make our workforce more multi-generational and diverse. In this context, various studies indicate that by 2016, those born from 1981 to 1997, known as millennials, will replace baby boomers as the largest generation. And in 5 years, they will represent almost half of the entire workforce. The implications of these dynamics for organizations and communities around the world are significant, given the peculiarities of millennials and the other generations that must interact and work with them in an increasingly difficult and challenging global landscape. This exciting video conference will address these important demographic considerations in the increasingly critical role of communication and language as millennials become the most influential generational group of our times. The exceptional invited speaker, one of the most prolific contributors to the communication literature in recent years, will present views and recommendations on topics based on his ample and practical experience around the world. He will address the contrasting generational preferences and values that organizations must now learn to manage and harness at all levels, especially those of millennials, such as work-life balance, individualism, participation in social media, use of technology, worldviews, and others. We are entering the most diverse and globalized environment our society has ever seen, where millennials will take leadership roles in workplace equality and multicultural sensitivity initiatives, global skills development programs, political change activism, and business responsibility standards, among other contributions that will shape the future of our world society. In a module entitled, The Global Evolution of Generations Leading to the Millennials, our distinguished invited speaker, Dr. Peter Andersen, makes the case that 1 year today is like 5 years a few decades ago, so that each new generation has grown up in a fundamentally different world. He explains that complicating this rate of change is a reality of disruption in all sectors of society, and that at least 4 generations comprise today's workforce worldwide, giving us an overview of the so-called silent generation, the baby boomers, Generation X, and an introduction to millennials. In another module entitled Generational Qualities of Millennials and Their Global Impact, Dr. Andersen eloquently describes the unique characteristics and qualities of millennials and the increasing impact these will have in education, business, government, and civil society. Our invited speaker, Dr. Andersen, is Professor Emeritus of Communication at San Diego State University, having authored over 150 book chapters, research papers, and journal articles, as well as 7 books. He has received recognition as one of the 100 most published scholars in the history of the field of communication. His 3 most recent books are Nonverbal Communication, Forms and Functions, Close Encounters, Communication in Relationships, and The Complete Idiot's Guide to Body Language. He has recently published papers on communication and emotion, nonverbal communication, interpersonal relationships, risk communication, skin cancer prevention, homeland security, and communication and technology. Dr. Andersen has served as the president of Western Communication Association, editor of the Western Journal of Communication, and director of research for the Japan-U.S. Telecommunications Research Institute. He is currently a consultant for the United States Center for Disease Control and chair of the governing board of San Diego Global Knowledge University. Welcome to the program. Let's begin with Module 1.